Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reset backup settings to default in Windows 10. Type Notepad in Windows search bar, click Notepad. Copy set of commands from description and paste it. Save as the file as .bat file. Right-click the file, click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.